This is the Stamina AeroPilates Pro XP. Now, when most people think of tech, they think of silicon chips and OLED screens. But true technology is about engineering a better experience for the human body. Stamina claims this machine brings the full, professional studio Pilates experience right into your living room without the $5,000 price tag. But after putting some serious miles on these rails, I found there's one specific thing about the Aero part of this machine that they don't tell you in the marketing fluff. Is it a legitimate gym replacement or just a very expensive clothes rack? Let's find out. Stamina AeroPilates Pro XP. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The AeroPilates Pro XP is the flagship of Stamina's home lineup. It's designed for the person who's tired of paying $35 per class at a boutique studio, but isn't willing to settle for those flimsy, low-to-the-ground folding reformers you see on late-night infomercials. This is a full-sized, non-folding beast that sits 15 inches off the ground. It's aimed squarely at the prosumer, the person who values structural integrity and wants a machine that feels like a piece of furniture rather than a toy. It's been a staple in the home fitness market for a few years now, and it remains the benchmark for affordable luxury in the Pilates world. Stamina AeroPilates Pro XP Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I've used high-end Allegro reformers in studios, and I'll be honest, I was skeptical. But the first thing you notice when you lie down is how much room you have. Because this is the XP version, extra platform, the rails are longer. If you're over 6 feet tall, you're not going to feel like you're playing Twister. I use this for everything from heavy leg presses to high-intensity cardio sessions using the Rebounder. The movement is surprisingly fluid. I didn't feel any hitching or stuttering as the carriage moved over the rollers. One surprise? The resistance. Unlike studio machines that use metal springs, this uses heavy-duty elastic bungees. Now, purists might roll their eyes at bungees, but here's the real-world take. They are incredibly quiet. If you're trying to squeeze in a workout while the kids are napping or your partner is watching TV in the next room, this is a game changer. It's a smooth, progressive resistance that feels more organic and less mechanical than traditional springs. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that set this apart. First up is the Cardio Rebounder. Think of this as a vertical trampoline for your feet. Instead of a traditional jump board, this allows you to do plyometrics while lying down. This basically lets you get your heart rate into the fat-burning zone without any impact on your knees or spine. It's a massive win if you're recovering from an injury or just hate running. Next, we have the elevated frame. It sits 15 inches high. Why does that matter? Well, if you've ever tried to roll off a reformer that's sitting flat on the floor after a grueling 45-minute session, you know it's not graceful. The height makes it easier to get on and off, and it allows for a wider range of exercises where your arms or legs need to hang below the frame. Finally, the 4-cord resistance system. You get 2 regular cords, 1 heavy cord, and 1 light cord. This gives you a lot of granular control over your workout intensity. It's simple, it's color-coded, and it works. Design and build. Aesthetically, Stamina really punched above their weight class here. It features these beautiful oak trim accents that make it look less like a piece of gym equipment and more like a high-end piece of furniture. The frame is heavy-duty steel. It weighs about 133 pounds, so once you set it, you aren't going to want to move it. It feels incredibly premium, but you might want to watch out for the footprint. This thing is nearly 8 feet long. It's a statement piece, which is code for it's going to take up half your guest room. The padding on the carriage is thick and the vinyl feels durable, though I'd recommend wiping it down after every session to keep that new look. Pros. The height. 15 inches is the Goldilocks zone for accessibility and exercise variety. The quiet factor. Those bungee cords are virtually silent compared to squeaky metal springs. The build quality. It's solid as a rock. There's zero wobbling during high-intensity jumps. Cons. The size. It doesn't fold and it's huge. Measure your space twice. The Bungees, while quiet, they don't provide that snap or kickback feel that some advanced Pilates practitioners prefer from steel springs. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're a dedicated Pilates enthusiast who wants to stop paying for memberships and start a consistent home practice, this is an absolute no-brainer. It gives you 90% of the studio experience for a fraction of the long-term cost. It's built to last a decade, not a season. But if you're a beginner who isn't sure if they'll stick with it, or if you live in a tiny studio apartment in Manhattan, you might be better off with one of Stamina's smaller folding models. The Pro XP is for the person who wants a forever machine. It's a serious piece of equipment that respects the physics of the human body. In a world of cheap plastic home gym gear, this feels like the real deal.